Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And I am super excited to dive into another powerful creator tool today. If you have been catching my recent videos, you know we have been exploring some amazing AI tech, specifically Sinstia for those incredible multilingual avatars. That tool is absolutely fantastic for dubbing and lip sync. But today, I want to shift our focus to a different kind of game changer for your workflow. If you are struggling to chop up long-form content into snackable viral clips, then you seriously need to check out Vizard. Here is the main difference. Sinstia is your go-to for translation and perfect lip sync across different languages. However, it is not designed to take a 30-minute live stream and carve it into dozens of engaging, ready-to-post short clips. That is exactly where Vizard steps in, acting as an AI-powered editor that identifies your best moments automatically. Not only does it find the clips, but it also handles the scheduling and distribution across all your social platforms. I am using the paid version for this demonstration, so I can show you the full range of features available to power users. Go ahead and check the affiliate links in the description if you want to try these same features out for your own channel. Let me minimize my camera feed so you can get a really clear view of the screen as we walk through this process together. We are going to take a long-form cooking video and turn it into a full week of short-form content in just a few minutes. The first step is incredibly simple, as you just need to upload your video file or paste a direct YouTube link. I grabbed one of my Spanish cooking tutorials about garlic and cheese bread and dropped the link right into the platform. Vizard immediately starts analyzing the entire footage to detect high-energy moments and significant shifts in pacing. It is looking for laughter, reactions, and anything that historically performs well on platforms like TikTok or Reels. While the AI runs that scan, you have time to organize your project, so I labeled mine Garlic and Cheese Stick Shorts. You can then specify which platforms you are targeting and set your preferred clip lengths for each destination. The beauty of this AI is that it avoids random cuts and instead provides a curated list of candidate viral moments. Every single suggestion comes with a confidence score and a draft caption to give you a head start. For my garlic bread video, it perfectly captured the satisfying cheese pull and even a funny moment where I misspoke. These are the kind of authentic, engaging bits that usually get lost if you are editing manually. You have total control to preview each clip, trim the edges, and adjust the crop ratio for different social platforms. Vizard auto-generates captions that are surprisingly accurate, though I always recommend skimming them for a quick polish. I also love that it suggests multiple thumbnail variations, which saves me so much time in the design phase. Even a tiny tweak to the caption, like swapping a generic word for some engaging slang, helps it feel much more native. Making that small change transforms the tone from a boring recipe description into something people actually want to watch. Now let's talk about the Auto-Edit Viral Clips feature, where you can ask for a specific number of clips at once. I requested 10 clips from my 6-minute video, and it gave me everything from the intro hook to the final payoff. It truly understands the structure of storytelling, making sure the cliffhangers and hooks are positioned perfectly for maximum retention. Moving on to scheduling, this is where the platform really starts to outperform the competition. You can set your frequency like 2 clips a day, and the tool will handle the heavy lifting of distribution. If you are balancing a full-time job alongside content creation, this automation is a total lifesaver for your sanity. Instead of manually exporting, uploading, and typing captions, you just let the system manage your content calendar. The content calendar itself is clean, visual, and super intuitive to use for anyone on your team. You can easily drag and drop your clips to new times or batch edit your captions without opening 10 different windows. It eliminates the need to jump between TikTok drafts, Creator Studio, and a million separate spreadsheets. When you compare this to other tools like Descript or Capwing, you realize how much value is packed into this one bundle. Those other platforms are great, but they often lack this level of integrated scheduling and calendar management. Vizard bundles the editing, the clip finding, and the scheduling into one seamless flow, which saves both time and money. Back in the demo, I went ahead and optimized my captions for English and tightened up some of the clip starts. It even offered a one-click option to make the clips more punchy, which is perfect for that short-form pacing we love. One cool advanced feature is setting a posting strategy, where you can let the AI A/B test different thumbnails for you. It will analyze the metrics from your first few posts to automatically select the winning variant for your future uploads. That level of smart rotation is usually reserved for expensive marketing suites, so having it here is a major bonus. Here are some quick tips I learned. Inject your own slang into the captions to keep your brand voice authentic. Also, try manually adding a quick graphic at the end of your clips to reinforce your brand identity across platforms. And never underestimate the power of adding one highly specific niche hashtag to help the algorithm find your people. As for the results, my engagement started climbing faster than when I was doing all of this manually. The clips were already optimized with the right hooks, so I was getting consistent impressions without needing to babysit. Of course, there are some limitations to keep in mind, because AI is not always perfect when it comes to sarcasm. The AI might miss a nuance in your tone, so always do a quick human pass before you finalize your posts. And if you need those super complex cinematic motion graphics, you might still want to take a round in professional software. Overall, I would recommend Vizard to anyone wanting to massively reduce the friction of creating short-form content. It is the perfect partner to Sinstia, as you can handle the dubbing first and then distribute through Vizard's system. Think of it as building your full-stack content growth engine without having to hire an entire team. Remember to test out the free tier first to see if the clip suggestions resonate with your specific content style. If you are trying to grow your channel consistently, this workflow will literally save you hours of work every single week. Let me know in the comments what long-form video you want to turn into shorts next, and I might test it out. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming software hacks. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.